Welcome back to Luxury Cars Update, and today we're diving into one of the most jaw-dropping vehicles of 2026, the all-new Mercedes Maybach Motorhome. This isn't just a luxury vehicle. It's a rolling palace design for those who want to take the comforts of a five-star suite with them wherever they go. The Maybach brand is already synonymous with elegance, exclusivity, and supreme craftsmanship. But now, Mercedes has taken things to a whole new level by combining that luxury DNA with the practicality and size of a full motorhome. Let's get into the details and see what makes this beast so special. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Maybach Motorhome commands attention the moment it arrives. Its sheer size is impressive, but what really makes it stand out is the design language. Mercedes has crafted smooth, flowing lines that give it a futuristic, aerodynamic look, despite being a massive vehicle. The front grille features the iconic Maybach double M emblem, surrounded by chrome accents that shimmer beautifully under sunlight. Full LED matrix headlights with Maybach's signature lighting pattern not only look stunning, but also adapt intelligently to road conditions. Along the side, you'll notice retractable steps and flush door handles that pop out when needed, emphasizing that clean, high-end aesthetic. The massive alloy wheels, wrapped in premium touring tires, make sure the motorhome isn't just functional but also stylish. And of course, Mercedes offers several customization options, from two-tone paint jobs to exclusive Maybach colors, so owners can make it truly unique. Step inside, and the magic of Maybach really comes alive. The interior is designed to be nothing short of a private luxury residence on wheels. As you enter, you're welcomed by plush carpeting, ambient lighting that can be adjusted in 64 colors, and handcrafted leather upholstery with exquisite stitching. The cabin is divided into living zones, each designed with comfort and practicality in mind. There's a spacious lounge area with reclining Maybach seats that feature heating, cooling, and even a massage function. Large panoramic windows allow natural light to flood in during the day, and at night, you can dim everything down for a cozy atmosphere. Moving further in, you'll find a fully equipped kitchen with modern appliances, a premium induction cooktop, refrigerator, and even a built-in espresso machine, all styled in sleek metallic finishes. The dining space easily converts into an additional lounge or workspace, thanks to Mercedes' flexible design. And yes, the motorhome also comes with a private bedroom suite. Imagine a king-size bed wrapped in Maybach's finest linens, complete with high-tech climate control and surround sound audio. The bathroom is equally luxurious, featuring marble-inspired surfaces, a rainfall shower, and smart mirrors with built-in displays. Every inch of this interior screams luxury, and it's clear Mercedes hasn't cut corners anywhere. Now let's talk about performance. Because while luxury is the main focus, the Maybach Motorhome is no slouch on the road. Underneath, it's powered by a state-of-the-art hybrid powertrain, combining a V8 twin-turbo engine with an advanced electric motor system. Together, they deliver smooth acceleration, plenty of torque for uphill climbs, and surprisingly efficient fuel consumption for a vehicle of this size. Drivers can choose between multiple driving modes, from comfort to eco to a dynamic setting that makes the handling feel far lighter than you'd expect. Mercedes' legendary suspension system has been re-engineered for this motorhome, using an adaptive air setup that ensures a silky, smooth ride, whether you're on highways or tackling rougher country roads. Safety is also at the forefront, with semi-autonomous driving features, lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and a full suite of cameras and sensors to make maneuvering this giant as stress-free as possible. And of course, we can't forget about the price. The 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome starts at around $1.4 million, but with customization and optional features, most buyers will easily cross the $2 million mark. It's clearly aimed at ultra-wealthy travelers who demand the very best, but for that price, what you get is unparalleled. A combination of mobility, comfort, technology, and exclusivity that no other motorhome on the market can truly match. So, that's the 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome, a masterpiece of luxury engineering that redefines what traveling in style really means. Whether you see it as a futuristic home on wheels or simply the ultimate symbol of wealth, one thing's for sure. This is not just transportation, it's an experience.